Hey, tech lovers! Today we're setting up the Kasa Smart Plug Potassium Phosphide, an incredibly affordable way to make your home smarter. Whether you want to control lights, fans, or appliances from your phone, this little powerhouse has you covered. Let's dive in. First things first. The Kasa Smart Plug KP115 comes in a simple package with just the plug itself and a quick start guide. The best part? You don't need any complicated hub or batteries. It's truly plug and play. So let's get started right away. Head to the App Store or Google Play and download the Kasa app. Create a new account or sign in if you already have one. This app is your command center for everything, so make sure to set it up first before plugging in your device. Now plug your Kasa Smart Plug into a power outlet and wait a few seconds. You'll see a light blink on the plug, which means it's ready to connect. For the smoothest setup, stay close to your Wi-Fi router during this process. Open the Kasa app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select the Smart Plug option. Then scan the QR code on the back of the plug or on the packaging. The app will ask for your Wi-Fi network password. And boom, you're connected. One of my favorite features is the real-time energy monitoring. See exactly how much power your devices are using. You can also schedule when devices turn on and off automatically. And use away mode to make it look like someone's home while you're traveling. It's super simple and really useful. Want to go truly hands-free? The Kasa Smart Plug works beautifully with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Just enable the Kasa skill in your voice app and link your account. Now you can say things like, "Alexa, turn off the coffee maker," and you're all set. That's it. You're now a Kasa Smart Plug master. If this helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home tutorials. Drop a comment below telling us what device you'd automate first. Thanks for watching. And happy automating!